I want to talk about emerging channels because in the digital landscape, there is always an emerging channel. There's always the hottest new emerging channel that every content creator is swearing is the next best thing. And emerging channels are important because you could be reaching a potentially lucrative audience. Emerging channels have all got their own different internal politics, different communities, different forms of communication. So be mindful, but also be cautious. But here's how I would leverage an emerging channel. I would experiment. An emerging channel is a wonderful opportunity to mix it up and create new content, experiment with different formats. You're talking to a new audience that aren't familiar with your old ways. It's an opportunity to explore something new. As always, high value content, just because it is an emerging channel, doesn't mean that you can repurpose some of your inferior content. Always share the best quality content that you've been able to create. Most importantly, you want to make sure the content that you are sharing adds value. Engage and listen. An emerging channel introduces you potentially to a brand new audience. They might have different questions, and this is an opportunity for you to address them, which also means it's an opportunity to stimulate some engagement. When it comes to leveraging emerging channels, the same rules apply. Analyze and adjust. Monitor your content. Check what content format works the best. And remember to track your metrics to identify opportunities where you can optimize, or maybe this is just an emerging channel that you need to avoid. Finally, one reason why I always like to recommend people keep an open mind with an emerging channel. The digital landscape is constantly changing. What's in today is out tomorrow, and what is out tomorrow will be back in fashion the next day. And just as your audience is constantly adapting and evolving and embracing emerging channels, you need to be prepared to adapt as well.